please let me connect with your sister too. I will speak, yes. Bro. You have Instagram ID maybe. My friend is saying yes.
Yeah. Are you getting shy so much?
Yes, because
I want to talk.
Yeah, hi. English, and I can list some names that are billionaire, and there are many. Safari also.
yes.
So in billionaire there is some Roman and English mixed, and in that Safari there are many songs to say. I'm listing you 2-3 songs. So yeah, that was really nice after talking to you, and I think there is so much time. There is not so much time left. So I want to ask at last that further what you will do further.
Further like you are
About
telling
English.
about like what will I do further, right? Because now I gave 10
Yeah.
I want to complete like my study first of all, and I told you according to me I want to become that what I told you, like the highest post. I think you understood, right? And according to my parents, they want me
Yeah.
to become like and run institute English medium, like that, because now many people are telling me, advising me, like giving me advice. Jadu, you have to open institute. We are
Yeah.
ready to take, like, give admission, like we will give our children admission, like they will learn from you, like that. And many places, like from many places, people called me and they were telling me, Jadu, are you running any kind of institute, like that? Because they are like looking me, they are thinking
Yeah,
Jadu
people-
will have completed study, like that, but I didn't complete. I think like that they have thought, but after completing I'm thinking about that to open institute. And many my friend opened institute now, and one is in Godda, Jharkhand. There I am about to go after some days with my friend to motivate and staying for some days for teaching purpose also. And again in my area one institute is available here in my block, so there also I will try to visit, like that. So that is my work, to visit new institute. And I also want to open, yes. That's why.
Okay, really nice. That's a really nice thing, and also about your parents. That is very nice. So after talking to you, I really liked. Now, what is the last line that you want to see the audience, or the last question that you want to ask from me?
Yes. The last questions I want to ask, nowadays I think many students, because you also come from the village area, wasting their time, like they are using their
Yeah.
mobile while scrolling reels, they are not watching English related video also, and they are student also, they are watching other related videos. So please suggest them, how can they learn spoken English language, how can they
Okay.
get addicted to learn English from their phone.
Okay, let me tell you about this. There is not like whatever you like, you watch, but just translate that in English. You are scrolling reels, there are reels on Instagrams, YouTube. Just what you have to do, you have to change the language. First of all, you will like over there because you never get bored after watching that. And second thing, you will be learning English also. So I want to suggest those people that English is really important for the future. You should learn English, and for further jobs, people are only taking the students who know better English. Employees who knows better English. So start it. There is nothing like you have to just do practice for the 6-7 hours. No, you are scrolling this. Just watch that in your language, and you will improve. So
Really.
this is the suggestion that I want to give all the students over here.
Really, because now many students like,
Okay.
also many times I gave speech and I told them, don't use your mobile for watching reels. You have to watch such reels where you can
Yeah.
learn, educate, like English related. If you wanna learn English, so you have to watch English shorts video in English.
Yeah.
You have to watch, right?
That is good, but there are reels also that are in English. Like people, girls over here, if they like the jewelry
You want to
things, anything they like, dressing girls. So what they can just watch that in English. There is that thing which you can translate
Yes,
it
you
just
not
in
upload.
English. So if you
I
don't
will
like, if you feel boring, you can watch that in English.
2-3 minutes I can talk.
Just translate that.
Okay.
That's the thing.
Okay. So my friend wants to talk with you for 3 minutes, but he is saying me I am sinus.
Okay.
I am sinus person, so please say her don't upload my part like where I will talk. So please delete that and upload. Yes. So my friend wants to talk. Yes.
What am I talk? Hello, sister.
Okay.
Hello. Yes, I want to talk.
Yeah. Hi.
But you don't have
Okay,
to.
you
Yes,
can talk.
listen to me. But you don't have to upload my video on YouTube. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So tell me something about you, because I don't know you, na.
Okay, talking about me, I have just passed grade 8 and now I am going in grade 9th. And
Okay.
I told about all the hobbies I do. I'm just a student.
Okay. So have you ever
Yeah.
realized that you speak very well English?
I have realized, I don't know, but I don't know which day I speak English, but yeah, I can speak English. I have realized that I can do conversation with someone perfectly in English.
Oh, right now you are in home, na? At home, na? Yeah,
Yeah, I'm at home.
yeah, it is your background.
No, this is not the real image. This is the background that I have put in for the
Okay,
meeting.
okay. I was thinking that is your home, like I was thinking before.
Okay. No,
So
this is the background.
Okay, so you are from what? Where did see her?
Village.
Yeah, where are you from? I forgot.
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh, na?
I am from Uttar Pradesh.
Oh.
Yeah.
So are you celebrating like a Ram Navami today, na? Do you know?
No, I'm not celebrating that. Before I used to, when I was small, I used to go, but now I'm not celebrating. I'm not very interested in these things.
Bro, with the help of this application, you can change your background.
Really?
Oh,
बैकग्राउंड भी चेंज कर सकते हैं.
okay, you talk.
लेकिन बैठ कर.
I will ever unable to talk.
Okay. So my friend he said to me, I will unable to talk. You know, I'm not fluent that much. So tell me more.
Tell me more. That's so much time. What do you want to ask? You can ask me questions that you want. I can
Okay,
tell-
why not? Why not? Surely I will ask you. Yes. So first question, you know, tell me, like in future, what country is that where you want to visit and for what purpose?
Okay, talking about me, I want to visit every country. I want to first of all this United States, Singapore, Korea, South Korea also, and this our neighbor countries also,
You tell
Japan also,
you want to go.
and also Saudi Arabia. I want to visit every country,
Okay.
explore whole world.
Okay. So which
Yeah.
is main country? One country, tell me which you like too much to visit and you want to visit. You must visit that. Which is?
I like India and I want to explore India, whole India. I want to explore.
Really, I also want to explore, and I want to explore about Jammu Kashmir in South India. South India also, you know, I will
Yeah, I want to
explore
explore.
properly, and even out of India, like other
Yeah,
other countries.
Jammu Kashmir is in North India, and this Tamil Nadu, Nepal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. These are in south part.
Really.
So yeah.
Yes. And I want to
Okay.
visit America also, Africa also. And if you will ask me what purpose Africa, you know, I think some people say about Africa is poor country, right? And it is right also, poor country. So, yes, right.
There are some areas which are not, we can say Africa poor country, but there are some states where people are rich. Some
Really?
states.
Yes, in some
One,
parts
two,
of
three, I
Africa,
think.
people can be rich, and in some parts of Africa, people can be poor.
आजकल youth चल रहा है पूछे तुम जानता है.
Yes, nowadays the war is going on.
Okay, so I think the time is going so much. What?
Nowadays the war is going on. Do you know? Youth. I think maybe.
Can you speak that again?
I think battle, or what we can say, like youth is going on. War, battle.
No, there is nothing like this.
Yes.
Hello sister, please my video cut. Okay.
Okay.
उसको मतलब कि वीडियो में मत.
Okay, I will
Yes.
cut it.
Yes. Like in which
Yeah.
part he took, like he talked his size, so he's saying
Yeah.
that delete like that.
I know. I have to cut that.
Okay. So can you tell
Okay,
me?
so
Yes.
this was a
Yes. So can you tell me, like you make video and do you put on subtitle on your video?
बोलो बोलो.
Yeah, I put, but nowadays I'm not putting that.
Actually, nowadays, I'm not. I'm finding
What is
difficult
your
to put.
YouTube channel name, sister? Tell me.
YouTube channel name. He's asking.
What is your YouTube channel name?
Apurva Yadav.
Apurva Yadav. चलो.
Spelling. Can you tell me?
Apurva.
APURVA YADAV.
Apurva Yadav ना.
Yadav, yes.
You are Yadav.
Yes.
Okay, Yadav.
So you are telling about your sister. So once, please let me connect with your sister too. I will speak. Yes.
Bro, तुम Instagram use कर रहा है.
Okay, you can explore my whole channel. There you will find her channel,
Yes. So can you?
and
Yes.
you can find there her
Yes.
channel.
So please send me your Instagram and Facebook ID. Yes, I will follow you. I think you have Instagram ID maybe. My friend is saying yes.
Yeah, you can find that on my channel. You can just see there in the description of the channel. You
Yes,
will see
in
the
his
link
channel
over
of the-
there.
Okay, sister,
Yes.
both of will follow you. Okay.
Yes, subscribe your channel and collaborate as well. I think so that your viewers they can also reach me and my viewers can also reach you in your channel and
Yeah.
subscribe your channel. Okay, so collaborate and you can
Yeah.
send me link to accept. Okay, and if I will send you, then
Yes.
you have to accept.
बोल तुम
Okay.
कोई चीज मेंशन कर सकते हैं हमारे साथ.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. After talking, bye.
Okay.